The reason we are asking to ensure we get it right is for fairness for all parties. We also wish that accuracy is maintained at the point of interpretation and impartiality. Kindly consider mentioning this matter in another appropriate time as suggested, possibly tomorrow, or if it is not possible, later in the day today. We have our team who will assist us in that research and also getting more documents from the presenter, the interpreter who is present. More importantly, on the passport that has been mentioned to be back in this hotel.
Let us verify your documentation. And then tomorrow you come back. Please have all the documents that are required to be able to qualify you as a person who can be able to interpret for us.
Yes, my Honor.
The essence is to ensure that they are following the proceedings and that we are also understanding what it is that they are saying so that there is no bias.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so we'll mention the matter tomorrow so that we can verify your documentation.
Yes.
And for the court administrator to be able to source an Iranian Balochi interpreter. If we get one, well and good. If we are able to verify your documentation, then better.
Thank you.
So they will be remanded at Port Police pending further orders of this court.
Baloch, Rahim,